Welcome viewers for today's session on how businesses have evolved by having outside the box marketing ideas. I am Sriraman Nandi, Assistant Professor at DG Academy for Managerial Excellence, a standalone B school located at Coimbatore. In today's session, we'll be talking about this company, ID Fresh Foods. So before we move on to the company, a brief introduction about the founder. So ID Fresh Foods was founded by Mr. PC Mustafa in the year 2005. When many people were selling idli dosa batter in polythene packs, this person has built a brand out of ready-made idli dosa batter. Can you believe this? You will know as we go through the presentation. Mr. PC Mustafa is from a humble family background. He was a school dropout once, and later he went on to complete his graduation from Indian Institute of Management. And today they serve food across the homes in our country. Not only in our country, they are also present in the Middle East as well as in the United States. So before we get into the business, let's try to understand the market dynamics of this idli dosa batter. So this is a product for the mass market. You will agree with me. A 1-year-old baby as well as an elderly person at home will never say no for a steamed idli. So it's a mass market product. And the other aspect of this product is you take it any area, any street, any region. This particular product has hundreds of local players. Therefore, it is highly localized and fragmented. So when a consumer or a customer, when he visits a shop to buy a idli dosa batter, his first priority is he need a idli dosa batter, whether it is packed in a polythene pack or whether it is packed in a beautiful pack, but his need is a idli dosa batter. If he wants to buy a ID Fresh Food batter or if he wants to buy an MTR batter, if it is not available, still he is okay to buy even a batter packed in a polythene pack. So that is the consumer behavior towards this product. So when you come to the distribution model and supply chain of this particular product, unlike FMCG products where you have the manufacturer, you have the distributors, then you have the retailers. As far as this product is concerned, manufacturer straight away to the neighborhood grocery stores. The grocery stores or the wholesalers, they are the retailers. So there is a different supply chain for this product. Because of this, what happens, most of the time, the grocery store owner or the person working in the grocery store can influence the customer to buy any brand of this idli dosa batter over the counter. I hope you will agree with me. And since this particular product is sold by hundreds of small players, the competition is so huge, and definitely it's a price driven and a discount market. So this is the dynamics of the idli dosa market. I have gone through the ID Foods website and I have learned about the products. According to me, ID Foods success revolves around following things. One is, in such a cluttered market, ID is focused on giving high quality products. And all of the products are preservative free. That is one. And coming to the product packing, in this cluttered market, they have tried to place themselves or position themselves with a differentiated customer-friendly packing. And it's not only customer-friendly, it's even user-friendly packing. And coming to other thing, that is all their products are customer-centric. They're always striving to give that positive experience for the customer at the point of sales, even after sales. Another thing is they want to give the customer that kind of experience. So when a customer is buying a ready-made idli dosa batter of ID Foods, and when he's going and preparing this particular product at his home, right, the joy of cooking that homemade meals, I think that is becoming their focus area. And finally, satisfied customer. And this satisfied customer is what every organization is aspiring to have in the current scenario. The beauty of this idli dosa batter is this is a product which is loved by the people in the bottom of the pyramid, also by the people in the top of the pyramid. You go to the corner, any corner of this country, in a small hotel, you will find steamed idlis. You go to the metro cities and go to the top star hotels. There also you will find the steamed idlis. Only thing is the price will vary. That is the beauty of this particular product. So before we get into the details of ID products, let's just try to understand this. See, today when you go to market, you will find so many brands of this idli dosa batter. I just trying to bring here very few brands. Even though there are hundreds of brands, one similarity you can see with all these brands is either they will be packed in a polythene pack like this, or either they will be packed in a colorful pack with beautiful images. Beyond this, you can't see any innovation with the most of the brands which are there in the market. So what's so special about ID's idli dosa batter? So they have a very unique packing. This is a board-shaped packing, and best of my knowledge, this packing they have got they have got it patented. So what's that unique in this packing and how it is differentiated with the competitors? Just watch this video, you will understand that. I hope you got it why it's customer friendly packing. Moment the customer buys a ID food pack, he can straight away start preparing his meals. Unlike the other brands where they will have to transfer it to a vessel and then start preparing, right? Don't you think it's an out of the box thinking while for coming with such a unique packing? Now let's go to their another product, that is ID vada batter. Before that, let's understand these vada batter brands in the market. Similarly, there are so many brands of vada batter available in the market. I've just mentioned here a few brands. It's the same. Unlike what I told in this idli dosa batter, here also you will find most of the brands in a similar kind of packing, probably a small change in the shape of the packing with different colors, with beautiful images. Beyond this, you may not find any big difference with most of the brands available in the market. So when you buy these brands and go home to prepare a homemade vada, what happens? The vada will be like this most of the time. Why? Because preparing vada is an art. So you buy those brands and go pour it in a vessel, and then you start preparing vada by giving your own shape, right? So as South Indians, we all know idli vada makes a perfect combination for a healthy and satisfied breakfast. But how many times we had this combination at home? We prepare idli, but do we prepare every time the vada? I don't think so. Because preparing vada is a challenge, because everybody who prepare vada, they can't give that kind of shape of the original vada, and it is a time consuming process. So ID Fresh Foods understood this, and they thought, let's give a solution. So that's how they came with this vada batter packing. So ID says everybody can vada. Anybody who has a basic knowledge on cooking, they can prepare vada. If you watch this video, you will understand why I say this.
Hungry? With ID Vada batter, crispy hot vadas are just seconds away. First, wash your new pack thoroughly. Strip away the hygiene protector cover to unveil the magic nozzle. Unlock and unscrew the nozzle. This moving part is the batter cutter. Check to see if the oil is hot. Hold the pack above but close to the oil. Take care, that's hot oil. Lift the cutter upwards like this. Gently squeeze the back to force batter out of the nozzle. Watch the batter take the shape of a vada. Slide the vada cutter down to drop the vada-shaped batter into the oil. Take care. Don't let the batter splash the hot oil. Fry both sides to golden brown. Drain extra oil out and serve. If batter accumulates at the nozzle, wipe with a clean tissue or cloth before making the next one. If air enters the bag, simply prick with a clean, sharp object. And you're done. You can even have your crispy hot vadas tested by a vada expert. Success! But of course, with new ID Vada batter in a pack that shapes batter into vadas, everybody can vada.
Wow, looking at this, I'm sure most of you must have thought of having a vada, right? Don't you think now everybody can vada? And definitely this is a perfect product. This is evolved from out of the box thinking. When you watch the videos of Mr. PC Mustafa, he has told they have tried and failed more than 100 times before they came out with this innovative packing, particularly for this vada batter. So I think through this video, you understand ID has actually developed all their product with out of the box thinking marketing ideas. So not only that, today, if you want to have any of the ID products, just take your smartphone, go and visit ID website, just go and click the store finder, put your location, that's it. You get the shops where ID products are available. How many companies are actually being so customer centric? That's what I say, customer centric, the positive customer experience. So that's it for today. For more information about ID Fresh Foods, you can go and visit their website. And this is a disclaimer from me. I am not a spokesperson of ID, or I am not promoting ID Fresh Food products. I'm just trying to use the videos and images which is downloaded from Google for an education purpose. And you can reach me in this address, in my email or through my mobile phone. Thank you, viewers, and have a wonderful day.